I'm John Davies here at GreenBiz Studio. I'm here with Kate Brandt, Lead for Sustainability at Google. Welcome, Kate.
Hi, how are you?
So, Kate, we've had a lot of discussion here at Verge around circular economy.
Yes.
So where does Google play a role in that? How do they look at circular economy?
Absolutely. This is a topic we're really excited about. And the way that we've been thinking about it is sustainability has really been core to us as a business from the very beginning. And we've really been focused on the opportunity for global business to have a positive impact on people's lives while reducing use of primary materials and fossil fuel. And that really aligns with the circular economy approach of really breaking this take, make, dispose model and thinking in loops and thinking how do we really take a different approach to how we're utilizing resources. So we've been looking at it first in our own operations and really what does this mean to us as how we operate as a business. And we've been focused on operating on renewable energy, on thinking how do we design waste out of our systems, looking at a systems approach and looking at cascades. So in terms of renewable energy, this has been a huge focus for us. We've been a carbon neutral company since 2007. We started buying renewable energy at scale in 2010 through power purchase agreements, and now we are purchasing 2.5 gigawatts of renewable, which is the equivalent of taking 1 million cars off the road and gets us just one step further to our goal of operating on 100% renewable. And then in designing out waste, we actually just announced a new commitment around this last week, which is that we're working towards zero waste to landfill operations for our 14 data centers around the world. And 6 of them have already reached 100% landfill diversion. And we're excited about this goal because we know it's going to be challenging, but we really feel like that last 10 to 20% is where we're going to get really creative and we're going to be able to see opportunities to partner with local communities and just design waste out altogether, reduce the amount that we need to divert. So we're really excited about that. And then in the systems approach, of course, our data centers are the engines of the internet. This is where the internet lives, where people get their Gmail, how we make sure you have your favorite cat video on YouTube. But what we revealed last week is that our data centers are a great example of deploying circular economy principles at scale. And so we just published this case study that details how we approach the servers inside of our data centers and how we manage them. So looking at, we're keeping them in use as long as possible and actually using parts from old servers to do that. Then we dekit them, we take them apart, and we remanufacture a lot of them. And then everything that's left we sell on a secondary market once we've wiped it clean, or we recycle it. And through those practices, we're saving hundreds of millions of dollars a year. And we're excited about that because I think that's where we are in the circular economy discussion, is really talking about the business case. It's great in concept, and now we need to bring it down to what are the details and how does this really make business sense. So we really wanted to open source our approach to doing that.
And I think one of the great things, Google is such a data-driven company.
Absolutely.
That's going to also help you drive the circular economy.
Yeah, certainly. And that's really, for us, what we see as that next frontier is the technology enablement of the circular economy. The Ellen MacArthur Foundation, who we're partnering closely with as a thought partner on this, put out a great piece just a couple weeks ago where they took the analysis they had originally done of the 1.8 trillion euros of value of the circular economy by 2030 and then examined what of that was enabled by technology, and it was 1.2 trillion of that 1.8. So the opportunity is tremendous. And we're starting to really think about the ways in which we can be the backbone of the circular economy. Our cloud platform, the ability to analyze big data, which is at the core of all of this, connecting the flows of the economy, the fiber backbone that we can provide through Google Fiber. So we're really excited about being that platform for the circular economy too.
That's great, really exciting. So I've been here with Kate Brandt, Lead for Sustainability at Google. Thanks, Kate.
Thanks so much. Good to be with you.